Shami is back from university, which means late night worship is back as well. So on the 19th of May this month, we're going to have a stripped back evening where we get into the presence of God together, and it's going to be happening after the evening service. So if you want to come along for that, join us for a prolonged time just in the presence of God, worshiping him and hearing from him and seeing what he's got to say to us. So that's going to be on the 19th of May after the evening service. We'll see you there.
We have found your freedom. Now all for you we're living. Our lives lift up the sound of praise. This is the sound of salvation.
We're going to be running a Next Steps discipleship course. So this is for anyone who's new to faith, you've recently become a Christian, decided to follow Jesus. We're going to be going through a course over 3 weeks where you can learn all about the next steps in your faith of how to walk with Jesus. So this is going to be happening on Thursday the 9th of May, and it will be happening weekly for 3 weeks. So we'd love for you to be a part of that if you've just recently come to faith. So if you'd like to be a part of that, then have a look online and sign up for that course.
Unified we praise you, the gathered voice of freedom.
Guys, this month has 5 Wednesdays, which means the 5th Wednesday is going to be a leadership development night, and we are going to have Tracy McAtee from Trinity Church in Birmingham joining us for that evening to train us up, to develop us as leaders here at Excel Church and in our community. So if you're a leader in any capacity here, we'd love to have you join us for this special evening where we get trained up and developed together in community. So we'll see you there on the 5th Wednesday of this month.
Church rising for all the earth to see. This is the sound of your people, giving their all to follow you.
Watoto Children's Choir are going to be coming soon on the 9th of June. Now, the announcement is tickets are now available for those services. They're free, of course, for you to come along, but there's going to be a morning service on that day that they're going to be joining us for, and an evening service. But the evening service has a brand new time, so listen up. It's going to be from 5 p.m, not 6 p.m, so that we can make it more accessible for families with smaller children. So if you want to come along for that, then make sure you sign up to get your ticket online. If you want to come in the evening, that will free up the spaces for the morning. So guys, just let's manage it well so that everyone can get to see them. I know they're going to be popular and I can't wait to see them. So guys, Watoto Children are coming 9th of June. Be there, get your ticket. It's going to be a great day for us all.
We will let your praise be heard in all the earth,
Do you know someone who is interested in the Christian faith? Or are you yourself interested in the Christian faith and kind of want to explore what it all means to have a relationship with God? Well, we're going to be running an Alpha course from the 13th of June, and we'd love to have you or your friend a part of this course and cohort of people. It's a great space to get together with other people that are also interested in exploring a bit more of Christianity, to explore it together in community. There's big questions of life and faith that you get to explore. So if you're interested in that, then have a look online for more details, and why not sign up to let us know you want to come along, or let your friend know about it and come and talk to one of the team.
This is the sound of your people, giving their all to follow you. This is the sound. This is the sound. This is the sound of salvation.
So that's all for XL News, but don't forget this week is Bible study, and on Saturday is Next Level. So we'll see you there at those things. Have a great week, guys.